Okay, in this video I'm going to show you how to access the resource that you will be using to do research for your PSA. I know you already have some topics in mind, so I want to show you how to get to the online resources at the library. So first of all, if you are not already on the junior high side, I want you to go to schools and click on junior high, and that's going to take you to the junior high page. From here, I want you to go down to the menu on the left-hand side to Library Services and click on that link. And then from there, at the top, I want you to click on Online Resources. Now, if you scroll almost all the way to the bottom, on the right-hand side, you're going to see a tab that says Points of View, and I want you to click on that. Now, you're going to have to log in. And what I want you to do about that is ask your teacher for that username and password. That's something that I can't publish online, so you'll notice that I am already logged in. I'm going to click on Never Save the Password for this site. And the next thing you're going to do is click on this link right there that says Points of View Reference Center 6 through 12. Now it's going to take a few minutes to load up there, and when it comes up you're going to see some topics at the top that are kind of hot topics in the news right now. So bottled water is in the news right now. You're going to see vaccinations, which are in the news, gun control, which is always in the news. So some of these hot topics may address one of your PSA topics. Now, if you look up here, there is a search window. So if you do not see your topic right there, there are two things you can do. First of all, you can type your topic into the search window, and it may come up there. I'm just going to type in abortion because I know that one's on here, and click on search. And you can see it's going to bring up all different things about topics about abortion there. The second thing you can do is scroll down on this page and browse by category. So here they have all kinds of categories that you can look at. If your topic falls in the animal welfare category, maybe you can click on one of these in here. It goes all the way from animal rights to animal overpopulation, honeybee population, all different kinds of things, and you might find what you are looking for there. I actually am going to do some research on concussions in football. So I'm going to type that in at the top here. And okay, I'm going to see, once I type that in, there's going to be 4 entries right here. There's going to be an overview, a guide to critical analysis, which is just a kind of a helpful hint to how to go about researching that. And then there's going to be a point and a counterpoint. Now you're going to notice that counterpoint kind of sounds like counterclaim, and that's exactly what it is. So it's going to be the pro and the con of this. The first thing I'm going to look at is the overview. Now if I bring up the overview, you'll notice on the side here there are all kinds of things you can do. You can add this to a folder, you can print it, you can email it to yourself, you could save it to your hard drive on the computer. Another thing that you can always do on here, which is handy, is it cites this for you and it tells you what citation it is. So for example, if you need AMA or APA, it has all the different citations for you on there. Okay, so you don't even need to mess with Noodle Tools for this one. If you scroll down, you will notice on the right hand side there is also the point and the counterpoint button. Now remember, this was just the overview. You can see that up here. And so what we want you to do for this research is we want you to read all 3 documents. So we want you to read the overview and then the point document and the counterpoint document. That's going to give you all of the information you need on both sides of the issue, because remember, you're not only addressing one side, you have to know the other side of the issue in order to address the counterclaim. Also, the first step in argumentative writing is always to know your information before you choose which side you're going to be on. So if you click on these links, it's going to bring up additional articles, and on these articles you can also print or save. These articles, you may need to do that by right clicking and then selecting print, and then it should bring up a print window. I always like hard copies, but I know that that's maybe old-fashioned for you guys, so if you would rather do them online, you can also save those to a folder. Okay, so that's basically what you are looking at, the overview, the point, and the counterpoint. You should read all 3 of those documents for whatever topic you choose. If you are having difficulty finding your topic on this website, then please talk to your teacher.